How to withdraw from QubitsCube to your Naira Bank account. Easy peasy. First have to log in. Click on your username to access your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll see the withdraw button. Click on the withdraw button and the withdraw page will appear, where you are prompted to input the amount you want to withdraw. Select the wallet type, which is your bank account, which you must have already added to your QubitsCube account, your wallet. After doing that, you provide your payment password, which you must have set also before coming to the withdrawal page. After doing that, you click on send to get verification code in your email. Copy that code and come and paste here, then submit. Then we wait for alert. It might take some time, sometimes delay from network, but less than 30 minutes or so, you should be able to get your account credited with the equivalent amount of the USDT you have withdrawn. If perhaps you see the delay is too long, you can chat to contact support to help review the transaction and you get credit as soon as possible.